In the name of Allah, welcome to TOEFL Preparation, Lesson 13. I'm your instructor, Mohammad Ewaz Nazari. In this lesson, we'll be focusing on another common question type in the independent writing task, the problem and solution essay. In this type of prompt, you are asked to describe a problem and offer one or more possible solutions. It's important to clearly explain the issue and provide realistic and practical ideas for solving it. In the TOEFL exam, you will have 30 minutes to write your response. The ideal length is about 250 to 350 words. Your essay should include 4 main parts: an introduction, 2 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. In the introduction, you should explain what the problem is and why it is important. For example, a prompt might ask, many students face stress at university. What are the causes of this problem and how can it be solved? Your introduction could look like this. Stress among university students is becoming a serious issue. It can affect their academic performance and overall well-being. This essay will discuss some causes of student stress and suggest practical solutions to reduce it. In the first body paragraph, describe the problem in detail. Use examples and explain why it matters. For example, one of the main causes of stress for students is academic pressure. They are often required to complete multiple assignments, prepare for exams, and maintain high grades. This workload can lead to anxiety and lack of sleep. In the second body paragraph, suggest 1 or 2 solutions. These should be logical, realistic, and directly related to the problem. For example, to reduce academic stress, universities can provide better time management workshops and mental health support. Encouraging students to take breaks, exercise, and talk to counselors can also help them manage stress effectively. In the conclusion, restate the problem briefly and summarize your solution. For example, in conclusion, academic pressure is a major source of stress for university students. By offering support services and promoting healthy study habits, schools can help students succeed without harming their well-being. To connect your ideas, use linking phrases like one of the main causes. As a result, another issue is to solve this, one possible solution is, and in conclusion. These transitions help your writing flow smoothly and show the logical relationship between your points. Tips for success. Make sure your problem is clearly defined and your solutions are practical. Don't just list ideas, explain them. Avoid repetition and stay focused on the topic. Use clear and correct grammar and keep your language simple and direct. Practice writing problem and solution essays using sample prompts. Time yourself and aim for clarity, logic, and organization. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Thank you for joining today's lesson. Keep practicing and I'll see you in lesson 14. Essay. Problem and solution. Prompt. Many university students experience high levels of stress. What are the causes of this problem and what are some possible solutions? Sample essay. Stress among university students has become a serious issue in today's academic environment. It can affect their health, performance, and even lead to dropping out of school. In this essay, I will discuss the main causes of this problem and suggest some practical solutions. One major cause of stress is academic pressure. Students are often required to complete multiple assignments, study for exams, and maintain high grades to keep scholarships or meet graduation requirements. This workload creates anxiety, especially when deadlines are close together. In addition, many students also work part-time jobs to support themselves, which adds to the pressure and reduces their time for rest and relaxation. To help reduce student stress, universities should offer more support services. For example, time management workshops can teach students how to organize their schedules and prioritize tasks. Mental health counseling services should also be more available and accessible to students. Moreover, schools can create quiet study zones and encourage physical activities like sports to promote mental well-being. These changes can help students manage their responsibilities more effectively. In conclusion, university students often suffer from stress due to heavy academic workloads and personal responsibilities. However, by offering better support systems and teaching useful coping strategies, universities can reduce stress and help students succeed both academically and emotionally